Hey everyone, today we're taking a look at a 2-bedroom, 1-bath manufactured home at lot A-6 in Carteret Mobile Park. Carteret Mobile Park is a land lease community based in Carteret, New Jersey. So this is a used home, but I think it might be one of the most beautiful houses I've ever seen. Here you can see the outside patio they have. This house comes with a shed. Right here on the side is the outside electric and the water hookup. Now I'll take a look inside. You can just see how exquisite this house is. Got this beautiful kitchen here, beautiful living room. I especially love the accent wall on the left there. You can see the super deep cabinets here. Got a Whirlpool fridge there. Whirlpool dishwasher. Got 2 sinks right there. You've got this nice window right here above the sink. There's your microwave, which is right above your stove oven combination. And even more cabinetry space here. You can see it's set up right with a kitchen table in the center. They've got their television right here, right above this really pretty hearth. Here is your back door, and to the right of that is the electrical panel. Now this is just like a regular home. It's 100 amps, and everything is labeled there for you. Here you have your side-by-side washer and dryer, and a bunch of cabinetry space above to put linens. And right behind you, you have this really beautiful bathroom. Got this pretty mirror above. Vanity above the toilet. And this really exquisite shower. Sliding glass doors. This is a 1-piece fiberglass shower with 2 seats in there. Now we'll take a look at the bedroom. You can see both sides of the wall have accents. And the closet runs the length of the wall, which you can see from here. And to the right of that, you have your water heater. And that door there. And that is a 40-gallon water heater. Now we'll take a look at the other side of the house. Right here is the furnace. This is responsible for the forced hot air and central air conditioning in this house. And this is the second bedroom, which is currently an office. And here's the closet in this room. Now, if you're interested in this house, please go to www.myhomeincarteret.com. There you can fill out the pre-qualifying questions, which will get you set up to owning your dream home. Thank you.
This house was built by Dolan Homes. Dolan Homes has been building homes in New Jersey in our 3 communities since 1954. These are Robert Dolan here is the managing partner, and you also have Xander Dolan and Patrick and myself. It's a small family business. We build manufactured homes in our 3 mobile home communities. So it's Carteret Mobile Park, Edison Mobile Estates, and Harbor Crossings. We have a fabulous crew. They've been with us a very long time, and they put these houses together very quickly. Conception and Raul are the main crew. Here's Conception, here's Raul. We're 4 generations. The first generation has now passed, and then Robert and myself are the 2nd generation, and then our nephew and our son are the 3rd generation, and then our grandson and grandnephew are our 4th generation. We have lots of advantages to owning your own house in Carteret, New Jersey. Carteret Mobile Park is located right near the Turnpike, and on the other side is Route 9 and Route 1. We're very conveniently located. You could be in Manhattan in 25 minutes. You could take the train from Rahway into New York City. We're a land lease community, so we provide that in emails when people contact us and answer our pre-qualifying questions. So this is our address, 1501 Roosevelt Avenue, Carteret, New Jersey, and this is our the original farmhouse in the front of the old farm, which was converted into a mobile home park. Our entrance is on Blair Road. We see everyone by appointment only. So once you make an appointment, you'll follow the signs to reach the office. You come in on this side street. This is our maintenance building, not our office. And I have signs on it to let people know. And there's little banners on the light poles to tell people how to get to the office. There's plenty of signs to show the way. This is the back part of the maintenance building, and I have a little sign there that shows that this is not the office, this is the maintenance building. So we have beautiful homes. Here's a whole series of them. It's very quiet, it's very safe. We're very proud of the beautiful homes that we build. Here's a gorgeous house, just a 1-bedroom. Here's another house. I believe that's also a 1-bedroom. This one's a 2-bedroom, 2-bath. This is a beautiful flowers in some of the tenants' homes. It just looks so pretty. Everyone takes care of their places, and it's just a delight to be here, and all the residents love it. We're really honored to be a part of making the American dream of home ownership a possibility. This was a beautiful story where this gentleman bought this house and found the American flag in the shed, and it was a very moving moment for all of us because he had just migrated from Cuba. So we get a lot of immigrants coming to us as their first home ownership, and it's such a pleasure to help them. Or downsizing or upsizing. We have all sorts of people in our community. So come join us, myhomeincarteret.com.